excessive tightening torque, corrosion, and also wear. These and other reasons can lead to the destruction of threads. HELICOIL Plus thread inserts have been developed in various designs to enable you the repair of threads in a very short time. Using the wear-free HELICOIL Plus thread inserts not only repairs the thread but also increases the thread load capacity. Especially in cars, there are numerous threads that are exposed to high stress every day. Therefore, we offer you customized thread repair solutions that increase quality and value. Due to its complicated production process, the cylinder head, along with the engine, is one of the most complex and expensive components on a motor vehicle. That's why you can rely on our special HELICOIL Plus kits for spark and glow plugs.